Hello, welcome back to our maths class of class 9. We are doing mensuration, okay, the area of part of walls, or area of part of room, wall, area of wall, area of floor, area of ceiling, okay. Now you can see first question. A room is 3 times as long as its broad means breadth. Length is 3 times of its breadth and the height is 4.6 meter. Here height of a room is 4.6 meter. Now length is 3 times as its breadth, means let breadth be x, then length is equals to 3x. Let breadth x, then length is 3 times, that's why 3x. Now next, if the cost of carpeting its floor at rupees 240 per meter square is 18,000. Rate is given, total cost is given. Cost of carpeting is given 18,000 at the rate of rupees 240 meter square, 240 per meter square. Now if total cost and rate are given, listen, the cost of carpeting is given. If the cost and rate are given, then we can find area. Now carpet, where do we put carpet? On the floor, so we can find area of floor. Area of floor equals to total cost by rate. Now what is the formula of area of floor? L into B. Now here total cost is given 18,000, rate is given 240 per meter square. What is the value of L? Length, we let here length 3x, breadth x equals to 18,000 divided by 240, that is 75 meter square. 3x square, this is x square, equals to this 3 comes here, 75 by 3 is 25. X square equals to 25 meter square, so x is equals to 5 meter. If x is 5 meter, then breadth we can write 5 meter. What is the length? If breadth is 5 meter, then it is 3x, so 3 into 5, 15 meter. Always, if total cost of carpeting is given, we can find area of floor. If total cost of plastering 4 wall is given, then area of 4 wall we can find. Total cost of coloring 4 wall, then area of 4 wall we can find. Cost of something on the ceiling, then area of ceiling. Okay, what cost is given? जेको cost दिएको छ त्यही area निस्किन्छ. जेको cost दिएको छ त्यही area निस्किन्छ. Now you have to find the cost of coloring the walls. Now cost of coloring the walls we have to find, so area of wall we have to find. Now we have to find area of walls. What is the formula of area of walls? Length and breadth are given, so rectangular room 2HL plus B, 2HL plus B. 2 height is 4.6, length and breadth 15 and 5, 15 and 5, 2 into 4.6, 9.2, 9.2 meter into 20 meter. Now multiply this, 9 to the 18, 184. 184 meter square is the area of wall, but we have to find the cost of coloring the wall. We have to find cost of coloring. Here is no space, so I write here the cost of coloring walls equals to, what is the formula of total cost? Area into rate. So here, if what cost is given, that area we can find. Now what cost we have to find, that's area you have to find. Area is 184 meter square and rate is given 24 per meter square. 24 per meter square. Rupees 4,416 is the total cost to coloring this wall. Okay, now from your what you understood, you can understand here what's total cost is given, that's area we can find, and what's total cost you have to find, that's area you have to find. Okay, next question. You can see there the cost of plastering the walls of a room is 4 meter high and its breadth is 1/3 of length. Here height is given 4 meter. First of all, list out whatever are given information. Height of the room, height is given 4 meter and breadth is 1/3 of length. Length, let it be x, then what will be the breadth? X by 3. So we can let here if we rate 3x, then breadth can be, we can let x, yes, length is 3x, then breadth is x. Otherwise x, if you let here x, then x by 3 can be done, but in fraction why to write in fraction, so 3x and x we can let 1/3 of its length and is 640. Cost of plastering wall, cost of plastering walls is given 640 at the rate of rupees 5 per meter square. Now from here what can you find? Cost of plastering wall is given, then if cost of plastering wall is given, then area of wall we can find, area of walls we can find. Okay, cost of plastering wall is given, so area of wall. What is the formula? Total cost by rate. What is total cost? Rupees 640 divided by rate rupees 5 per meter square. What is the and this side area of wall formula? 2HL plus B. 2 height is given 4 meter, length and breadth 3x and x. X plus x by 3 can be done, but in fraction we have to take LCM, that is why I let here 3x and x. 3x and x. This 640 divided by 5 is 128 meter square. This 4x equals to 128. 4 to the 8 will come here. 128 divided by 8, 16 meter, and now again this 4 will come down, so 4 meter. Therefore from here breadth is equals to 4 meter, length is equals to 3 times 4 means 12 meter. What do you have to find next? You have to find the cost of carpeting its floor. You have to find cost of plastering its floor, means we have to find area floor at first. What is the formula? L into B. Length is 12 meter, breadth is 4 meter. 48 meter square is the area of floor. Now after getting the area, rate is given 250 at the rate of rupees 250, so we can find total cost of carpeting is area into rate. Area we have got 48 meter square, rate is given 250 per meter square. Now this meter square can be cancelled. 48 into 250 is 12,000. Cost of carpeting is 12,000. Next question. Question number 17. You have to find the height of the room where length is given 15 meter, breadth is given 10 meter. first of all list given length of the room 15 meter, where wideness, that means breadth, of the same room is given how much? 10 meter. You have to find height of the room. Now your area of whose floor and ceiling together is equal to the area of floor wall. What is given? Area of floor and ceiling. Area of floor wall and ceiling is equals to area of four walls. Now what is the formula of area of floor and ceiling? Area of floor and ceiling, floor L into B, ceiling also L into B. Yes, L into B, L into B, 2H L plus B. Now length is given 15 meter into 10 meter. Here also same, so we can multiply by 2 LB we can write 2H 15 meter plus 10 meter. 15 tens are 150, 2s are 300 meter square. From here 2H 15 plus 10 25 meter, 300 meter square equals to 25 to the 50 meter into height. Now this 50 can be taken down, 0 cancel, 5 6 are 30 equals to H. Therefore the height of the room is 6 meter. You can see another question there. The cost of carpeting or room is 8 rupees 90 per meter square is 7200 rupees. Cost of carpeting is 7200 at the rate of 90 per meter square. Here cost of carpeting is 7200 at the rate rupees 90 per meter square. And if the length had been 5 meter less, the cost would have been 3600. Now here length and breadth we don't know, so let the length cost of carpeting or room is given. Yes, it is. First would have length and breadth of the room be X and Y meter respectively. We don't know what is length and breadth. Now from this, area of floor we can find is total cost by rate. Total cost by rate, area floor is L into B. Now what is total cost? 7200 divided by rupees 90 per meter square. X into Y is equals to 9 is 70. 7200 divided by 90, 80 meter square. Now next, if the length had been 5 meter less, the cost would have been 3600. If length is 5 meter less, then length is equals to x minus 5. What would be the area? Area of floor equals to, again, total cost by rate, x minus 5 is length into breadth is equals to total cost would have been 3600 divided by rate is same Now from here y is equals to 80 by x can be done. So xy other minus 5y is equals to 3600 divided by 9040. In the place of xy, directly we can write 80 minus 5y is equals to 40, minus 5y is equals to 40 minus 80, minus 5y is minus 40, minus and minus can be cancelled. 5 how many times to get 80? 5 8s are 40. So breadth is 8 meter. Now what would be the value of x? X is equals to 80 by y. Here x is equals to 80 by y can be done. 80 by y, that means 80 by 8, which gives us 10 meter. Therefore the length of the room is 10 meter and breadth is 8 meter. Here we can let x and y, total cost is given, rate also given. From here you can find the x into y. Now if it is 5 meter less, so minus 5 we will do. Yes, if breadth was given, then in breadth we have to reduce. If increase, then plus we can do. And total cost is given 3600, rate is same. Okay. Okay, let's solve next question. Question number 19. Here a room is 12 meter long, length of room is given 12 meter, 10 meter broad, breadth of room is 10 meter, 6 meter high, height of that room is 6 meter, and it has a door of size 1.5 meter and 1.5 by 3 meter. Size of door 1.5 into 3, and the window, size of window is given 2 by 1.5 meter. Now we have to find the cost of papering 4 walls at the rate of 15 per meter square. Now here you have to find the area of 4 walls, but size of door and windows are given, then we have to subtract, excluding how many windows are there or door, and how many windows or window. So only one or window. What is the formula? 2HL plus B is the formula of area 4 wall. Let's subtract L1 H1 and L2 H2, means area of door and area of window we will subtract. 2 H is 6, 12 plus 10 minus 1.5 into 3 minus 2 into 1.5. Now let's multiply. This is 12 into 22 minus 1.5 into 3, 4.5, 4.5, 2 into this 3, 1.5 into 2, 3, 22 into 12 is 264, this meter square, minus this 2 is 7.5 meter square, minus 7.5, this will be 256.5 meter square. This is the area of wall without window and door. Now you have to find the cost of papering 4 walls. The cost of papering is area into rate. Area 256.5 meter square, rate is given 15 per meter square. Now multiply by 15. This is 3847.5 rupees, 3847.5 is the cost of papering its 4 wall. Okay, today's last question. You can see there the cost of carpeting a square room. This is square room at 25 per meter square is 8100. Here length of the room is not given, so x meter. Height is given 6 meter. Height of this room is given 6 meter. Now cost of carpeting is given. Cost of carpeting is given rupees 8100 at the rate of rupees 25 per meter square. Now cost of carpeting, from this we can get area of floor because we put carpet on the floor. Area of floor equals to total cost by rate. Now what is the formula of area of floor? L into B, but this is a square room, that's why L is square. Total cost is 8100 at the rate of 25 per meter square. L square equals to 8100 divided by 25, 324 meter square. 8100 divided by 25. So what will be the length? Length is square root of this 18 meter, so x is 18 meter we can write, or we can leave this L, y to write x. Yes, we have to find, it has a door and window. The height of the room is 6 meter. Find the area of 4 walls. Size of a door is 1 meter by 2 meter, 1 into 2. Similarly, size of window is 3 meter into 1 meter, means length is 3 meter. Actually this is breadth, but we'll write h because window and door are kept vertically. You have to find area of 4 walls excluding a window and a door. What is the formula of area of 4 wall? 2HL plus B, but this is square room, so 4HL minus L1 H1 L2 H2. 4 H is 6 and length just now we got 18 minus size of door 1 into 2, 3 into 1. Now multiply this 18 into 4 into 6, 432 meter square minus 2 meter square minus 3 meter square minus 5, it will be 427 meter square is the area of wall excluding windows and door. Now next you will be doing from page number 100 question number 15B, 16B, 17B, 18B, 19B and 20B. Okay, this much for today. See you soon.